Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to my lockpicking homeschool series. In today's video, we're going to be going over serrated pens, and what we're going to be focusing on is how we can start to identify underset pens, and when we do run into these, what we're going to need to do to be able to fix them. So what I'm going to do is get started with this right now. Alright, so in order to first identify what an underset pen is, what I'm going to do is have to explain it to you. So when you take a look at one of these serrated pens, which I'm going to lift up number 4 right here, you can see that it has several serrations going across. So when you start to put tension on your lock, what's going to happen is you're going to have just one of the serrations catch. It's going to be caught between the plug and the Bible, and what it's going to do is it's going to take all of that spring tension away. The key pin below it's going to feel like the driver pin is set, and it's just going to feel really floppy. So this can make a really difficult time for you because you're going to go through your lock one by one, and then you're going to wonder, why am I not able to find a binding pen? All of these pens feel set, and you're going to wonder what's going on. So what I'm going to do is try to bring up an example of that for you right now so we can see it together. Alright, so let's put some tension on this lock and let's see if we can identify an underset pen so we can start to troubleshoot it and try to learn how we can get through an underset serrated pen. So doing some clockwise tension, I'm going to lift up on the very first pen and I'm going to try to set that. So I got a few clicks on that. Then moving on to 2, I got a few clicks. 3, I got a click. 4 feels springy. 5, I got a few clicks, and 6, I got a few clicks, but then I heard some of the pens drop back down. So let's go through and see what we're feeling. So if you have a set serrated pen, what you're going to do is you're going to feel that the key pin below it is floppy, just like the weight of gravity holding it up, which I'm feeling in one right here. But also the driver pin is going to still feel like you can move it, it's not going to be completely frozen. So I can feel that same thing in 2. Now lifting up on 3, I feel a binding pen. And I just lifted up that standard pen and set that. 4, I just got a click. 5, I got a click. And 6 feels set. I feel the loose floppy key pen and the movable driver pen. So now what I'm going to do is let's just try to figure out where we are. So we may have an underset pen at this point. So what you need to do is you need to just increase your tension more than you would normally have it, and we're just going to feel on each pen. So on 1 I feel a floppy key pen, and I do feel like I can move the driver pen, so that one feels like it is going to be set. Same exact thing on 2. 3 is very, very movable, and that really feels set. 4, I have some of that play where it feels loose, but the driver pen felt a little bit unmovable, and you just heard me get a click on that. Now we're going to increase tension again, and let's see if we're able to get that play. So 4 still feels unmovable. You can see that I'm moving on it. I'm just going to give it another little push, and we got that one more click, and now we got that shear line click, and now we can feel the key pin is nice and loose below it, and we can feel that movable driver pin. Let's move on to 5. So 5 feels like it's binding, and we're going to lift up on it. We got a few clicks, and we were able to open up our lock. Alright, so that was really cool that we were able to see a quick display of what an underset pen looked like. So just as a quick summary, when you have a pen that is set, you're going to feel a very loose key pen below it, which you can see in 1 right here. But if you increase tension, the driver pin is going to be movable. But if the pen is going to be underset, when you start to increase tension, you're going to have a driver pen that is going to be not movable. It's going to put up some resistance, and it's going to make it very difficult for you to lift it. So the telltale sign is just going to be you can increase tension, and you're going to just feel for that. Right now I feel 4 feels a little bit immovable, but above it the key pin feels quite loose. So we have the underset pen, we're going to lift it up, and then we're just going to keep going through and acknowledging all of the great feedback that our lock wants to offer us. and then we'll be able to start to conquer these really cool pens. Serrated pens are a lot of fun to learn. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has checked out my lockpicking homeschool series. It is always really great to see all of the great comments I get on how helpful they have been. But either way, guys, this has been Underset Serrated Pens. If you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop them right in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.